Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about the homework assignment, Chapter 3, Module 3. When you open Excel spreadsheet, you see down below is 3-1A through 3-9B. You have to finish all these questions. And our questions is on the very first tab. These are the questions in here. Before we go through every single question, we'll look at our PowerPoint slide first. FICA consists of two parts. One is the OASDI wage cap. One is the HI Medicare. The OASDI, for the homework purposes, we use 2013 cap. For our OASDI is 113,700. Okay, 113,700. Let's go back to our questions. Today we're just going to talk about part B of the questions, 3-5B, 3-6B, and 3-8B, 3-9B. Let's read the question for 3-5B. The annual salaries paid for each of the officer of Payroll Inc. follow. The officers are paid semi-monthly on the 15th on the last day of the month. So remember, this is a semi-monthly payment. Compute the FICA tax to be withheld from each worker's pay on the October 31st and December 31st. October 31st and December 31st. Go to 3-5B worksheet. These are the annual salary in here. Paul's annual salary is 136,800. And F10, our OASDI taxable wages, I have the formula down here. Let's go down to this formula. F10 equal to our cap number, the 113,700 minus the Paul's annual pay divided by 24. Remember, this is a semi-monthly, so in a year, there are 24 payments. We have to divide it by 24 because we need to get, each payment, how much is each payment is. And then times the 19 payment, because from January through October 15, he got 19 payments already. So he has already gotten the 19 payments. So times the 19 payment for how much that he have already gotten paid. And then we compare with the cap. In order to do the OASDI taxable wages, we have to compare with the cap. Up to the 113,700, he needs to pay the OASDI taxes. So equal to 11,370 minus the D10 divided by 24 payments times 24 payments minus 5, which is the 19 payments, and close bracket is 5,400. He needs to pay the OASDI tax. So this one equal to H10 equal to F10 times 6.2%, 0.062 conversion. So it is $334.80. And for Donna, we need to take the F11 equal to D11 divided by 24 payments because it's paying semi-monthly. So when you look at the Donna's annual salary, it seems like it is already exceeding the cap. However, in October 31st, that payment has not already, up to October 15 has not already exceeding. So let's go down to this thing here. For the 4,900, okay, times 19 payment, okay, up to October 15 is already 19 payment already. Donna already gotten 93,100 payment up to October 15. So this 93,100 has not already exceeding 11,370 113,700. So it's not exceeding 113,700. So So we will just take the 11 divided by 24, and his her OASDI would be F11 times 0.062, 6.2%. So this one, we need to copy it down. And same thing with OASDI. For the rest, we need to copy it down too. Okay. And HI, the Medicare is no cap, so would be D10 divided by 24 payments. And then we copy it down. HI tax, Medicare tax, equal J10 times 1.45%, 0.0145. And copy L10 through L15. So copy, drag down. Okay. So we go to Part B in here. On F21, Paul, F21 is equal to 0 because this is the last payment. December 31st will be the last payment. So if you take this annual salary divided by 24 times 23 payment, he would be exceeding the 113,700 already. So it would be 0 for the taxable and then 0 for the tax on the OASDI, and the Medicare taxable wages would be, Medicare has no cap, so D21 divided by 24. Okay, and then we drag this formula down to J26, and then this HI tax, the Medicare tax for Paul would be J21 times 1.45%. So, and then we need to drag it down to copy it. Let's drag it down. Oh, this one has not already entered, so hold on. Let's drag it down here. So, okay, so for donor, for the annual salary, we need to, for F22, we need to compare with the cap, okay, for the OASDI. His annual salary divided by 24 payment for each payment times 23, because from January through November, through December 15 has already gotten 23 payments already, donor. So times 23 payments of the total, compare with the cap, see how much that we need to tax on the OASDI. 700. 113,700 minus D22 divided by 24 payments times 23 payments, close bracket. So he only has, donor only has 1,000 needs to be paid for the OASDI, equal F22 times 0.062, 6.2%. And this one would be F23 equal to D23 divided by 24 payments. And then we need to drag down through F26. This one we can drag it down too. Okay, we finished the 3-B, 5B. We go to 3-6B. We go to question first. 3-6B, Amanda, Audrey, and Carly Wilson are partners. They both are partners in A&W gift shop. Which employs individuals listed below. Paychecks are distributed every Friday to all employees. Based on the information given, compute the amounts listed below for a weekly payroll period. This is a weekly, okay? We need to compute a weekly payroll. So go back to 3-6B. OASDI taxable wages. This is a per week for Kelly already. So we will take the C11 already per week. So, and this is a per month for Jim Trask. He get paid per month. So the F12 equal to C12 times C12 times 12, and then divided by 52 weeks. Okay, for F12 equal to C12 times 12 months, because each month he get $3,450. We need to gross it up and then divide it by 52 weeks in a year. Hold on. C12 times 12 divided by 52. Okay, so, and then this is also per week, so equal to C13 per week. And for Amanda and Carly, they are all partners. So for partners, we do not consider this as a salary payments. We consider this as a withdrawal. So withdrawal does not need to pay any OASDI or any Medicare. So 0 for the taxable wages for OASDI, 0 for the taxes for OASDI, and 0 for the Medicare taxable wages, 0 for the Medicare taxes. Okay, so OASDI tax for Kelly would be equal to F11 times 0.062, 6.2%, and then we need to drag it down to copy the formula, and the HI taxable earning would be equal to C11, okay, and then this one is the same formula as open bracket C12 times 12 times 12 close bracket divided by 52. Hold on. It would be, let's just copy this one here, F12, okay, copy from the OASDI taxable earning. So this is per week, so it will be equal to C13, okay, and our HI taxes, Medicare taxes, equal to J11 times 1.45%, and then we drag it down to copy. Okay, so we need to total up the taxable wages, taxable earnings for OASDI equal to sum, open bracket, F11 dot F15 equal sum H11 dot H15, or you can copy the formula from this one to this one and to this one, from the H16 to J16 and to L16. How to copy? You place the cursor in the H16 here, and then you go up to this copy. Okay, you see the copy, and then you left click on this copying, and then you saw the dotted line, and then you place your cursor to J16, and then you go to paste. You left click the paste. Okay, let's do it one more time. L16, how to copy to from H16 to L16. Okay, you put the cursor on H16 and then you click copy, and then you put the cursor on L16